This message is for people, and we have a lot of them, with 18, 19, 20-year-old systems, and there's a lot. We work on them every day, that this is a good time to think about getting off of that system, because as we get closer to 2025, January 1st, we're going to be on the new refrigerant, the new one coming out. New systems are going to have sensors that are going to be sniffing for refrigerant, because if there's a leak, it's flammable, we have to address it right away. There's not going to be any more, let's charge up a system, a couple pounds or whatever to get them through the summer, or get them, to prolong, and help them get cooling. The sensors are going to turn the system off and are going to turn the blower in the furnace on to dilute the air, dilute the possible leak. The other part of it is the prices. I just got word yesterday that across the board, the industry is expecting a 10 to 15% price hike with the new stuff coming out. That's big, because this is already very expensive stuff to begin with. So I just felt like I said, I have this conversation every day with people. I had one just 2 days ago with a lady. She has two 20-year-old systems. One is no good. And she asked me about, replacing both at the same time. I said, it would probably be a good idea. And I had this exact same conversation, because, we have already gone through about a 35 to 40% price increase in the last 4 years. The COVID, raw materials, all these new government mandates that have come out for furnaces in SEER rating that we've talked about in other videos, and now we have this refrigerant change. All those price increases that we've had for the past couple of years are because of all the new research and development and the reconnoitering of all the equipment and everything. They start passing that pricing on years ago. But the new equipment coming out with the new refrigerants, with the sensors and the flammable refrigerant, is all expected to be 10 or 15% more. So all that to say, if you have an AC system that's 20 years old, or it's on the old refrigerant, or you've had a lot of problems with it, this is a good time to at least think about doing something about it before the big changes come, okay? We don't charge anything to look and give you an estimate, and there's nothing wrong with getting the information.